Kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op. Koop maar sommer klaar data. Why don't you buy data already? Because we're going to talk tonight. Shilane, Veika Rico, Nathan Brownlee, Pietro Hendricks, Bernardo Maralak, Quentin de Reiters, Brendan Jana Harry, Lilani Chun, Theodore Snyder's Bierwinkel, Marco, JKM Kemutu, Bishop Donovan, the Don Mini, Alberto Sperto, Cecil van Cypher, Randy Crow, Paul G. Jacobs, Tonique N. Hamilton, Divan Duran Kleinboy, Sarifa Obarei, Daniel Sekui, Anki Daniel, Malaike Lopez. Get your data, Patriots, so we're going to talk tonight. Philip October, Elrose Zilla Smith, Dennis Tubbs King, Eugene Bota, Marvin Alberts, Geraldine Faltin, Lamarco Mitchell, Shirley Koopman, Saida Pierbay, Leanne Leify Adams, Bruce Joshua Nimmerhout, Donovan Clement West, Romano Juris, Griselda Jooste, Randy Crow, Jody Steitler, Renee Rochelle, Chantal Shani, Timson Jacobs, you mustn't find me know what does 777 mean to you, Minister Mackenzie? Is it a 007? 007, what is 777? Is it I don't know what it means. Michelle Bota, what does it mean to you? Kaylin Henryson, Shilling C. Lindo, Suzanne Janssen, Elzaan Peterson, Stephanie, Stacey is 'n gevaarlike netbalspeler. Hoorie. Colleen Peters, C. Janssen, Jennifer Barnes, Timson Jacobs, Valine Peacock, Grenville Miller, Myrtle Williams, Nikki Counter, Tedrien Arnse de Villiers, Shuling Singly Lindor, Dion Ferris, Wendell Nimmerhout, Debbie Mike, Michelle Bekes, Jacqueline Aronson Nimmerhout, Bishop Duarte, Lizelle Barney, Walter Sheldon Lambert, Neil Jacobs, sorry, Fast is 007. Ja, weet nie wat, brother, hy was van 777. Ek ken het 007. Michelle Stevens, Lily Badenhorst, William Eugene Wilderman. Thank you, man of God. Debbie Reiners, just hold on. Patriots, I'm going to start because there's a lot of things we need to talk about. A lot of hard truth that we need to speak about tonight. A lot of uncomfortable truth, but a lot of truth that is empowering us. So let me start with the first one. You know, Patriots, I heard the president today say that the ANC must go and learn from the DA how to govern municipalities. The PA people, the DA is the last people you must go and learn anything by. If you think the DA is a good government, go ask the people in Kalicha, go ask the people in Kraaifontein, go ask the people on the Garden Route in George. Go ask the people. So I disagree strongly with what the ANC says that the DA, I would never say that. I want you to know this is my opinion. There's nothing we can learn from the DA except not to be like them. The only thing Patriotic Alliance must learn from the DA is not to be like them. Those that want to admire the DA, let them admire the DA, but we are not the type. We will fight them. And I will fight them. Somebody asked me, would you take your wife's surname, President Gayton? Ek is nie mal in my copy. When I get married, I will never take a woman's surname. Ek is nie mal in my copy. Jy wat vir jou vrou se van vat. Vat maar jou vrou se van. Ek is nie die type nie. So just yo, I read somebody says, you don't even know, maybe she got that name from her ex-husband. Dat jy met die man ook getrouwd, if you take his surname. Then you also his second wife, the first husband that she had. If she got a surname from her first husband, let's say that husband died and he left her the surname, and you take that surname, you must also tell people, oh, my other husband died. I never do that. Me, I'm telling you straight up. Taking a woman's surname, me, I can't do that. Ek is no understand. I'm just telling you straight up. There's a look about fat hulle maar mekaar se vader. But ek is nie by dit hoor. I'm not there. So I'm just saying to you, the PA, the only thing you must learn from the DA is not to be like them. I wanted to get that out of my system. If the reason why we beat the DA, because people are tired of the DA government. So I just needed to say that. That's the first thing. The second, and then I'm not going to take nobody's surname. You can take each other's surnames, it's fine, not me. Then I'll even support you. Then, yo. But I think they made that rule for foreigners. You'll just see a Somalian now being, you come there, you'll be like, bye. Like, hey, I must Kulu. I must Somalian moet jy nie is van Wyk. Han is mevrou van Wyk getroud. Maar julle wat so skidder, julle moet julle vrouens so vanne vat. Julle wat so skidder, ek wil julle vrouens se naam vanne kry. Hy is nog sommer daai mevrou se van. Hulle skidder dan so lekker, so hulle moet maar sommer daai vanne vat, joh. Patriots, let me get serious. I've got work to do. I can tell you now, we will never learn anything from the DA. Nothing. There is nothing to learn from the DA except not to be like the DA. That's the lesson that you must know. The only thing you must learn from the DA is not to be like them. That's the only thing you must learn from the DA is not to be like them. They only care about white people. That's the truth. And rich black people that lives in the suburbs also stay in the suburbs. So they only care about us for service delivery. Go and look at the service delivery in the areas where they govern, where black people live. Go look at Langa. Go look at Guguletu. Go look at Menenberg. Go see how our children don't have jobs in the Western Cape. For 30 years, they couldn't stop the shooting. Yo, don't make me start, eh? Don't make me start. So the only thing you must learn from the DA is not to be like them. That's the only thing that PA members must learn from the DA is not to be like them. All right, thank you. Then let me start by telling Patriots tonight that, you know, when we started this party, we just can all testify that God is faithful. We can all testify that the Here is 'n waarmaker van sy woord. That's the only testimony that we have for you. Because at the moment we're the party to beat. We are the party that everybody wants to not see grow. Our enemies are not sleeping because of the Patriotic Alliance. Because of the Patriotic Alliance, people are having sleepless nights. We continue working. And we continue working. And I want to open the thing. Just hold on for me, please, Patriots. So where we are today is today and we're gonna say this to you. You just keep your eye on the ball. You keep your eye on the ball. We know what we're going to do as the Patriotic Alliance. So, Patriots, we stopped positions. And I'll tell you why we stopped positions, why we said stand back. And we took all the titles because of infighting. There was too much infighting. And I'd like to make an example with George. We started giving people positions again, and there was big infight. There was big fighting between the mayor and the district mayor. They were having issues. Now, the issue that people have is that you cannot be in the same party if you don't speak to each other and you don't like each other. One must go, or both must go. We must work together. When you're a district mayor, I want to explain the structures. When you're a district mayor, you can't work past the mayor. You must sit with the mayor and say, where have you worked? Where do you want me to help you to work? Because you can't become district mayor if this man doesn't become mayor. So you can't, when you're a district mayoral candidate, run havoc and ignore the mayor. Because the mayor must be the one that tells you, "Daai area het ek nog nie toegemaak nie." There's not other voters. There must be, julle moet saamwerk. Then secondly, when you are a youth league leader in the province, if you are from the youth league or the women's league or the veterans league, you are still under the provincial chair. You can't work against your provincial chair. Your provincial chair is like the press for the province. Your provincial chair run the province. Whether you youth league, whether you women's league, you are under the provincial chair. If you live in that province, you are under the provincial chair. When you are a youth league president or women's league president, you report to the secretary general of the party and the deputy secretary general of the party. That's the engine of the party. The secretary general and the deputy secretary general report to the NEC. The engine of the party is the secretariat. So when we announce you as a youth league leader or a provincial leader or this leader, that doesn't mean you're now on your own. You can go do what you like. You must respect the provincial chair. Because the provincial chairs are going to sit now on the NEC. The youth league leader, the veterans leader, you report to the secretary general. But we have to work together. Some of you don't know protocol. That's the problem. You can't lead not understanding protocol. There's nothing that must happen in the province. If anything happens in the province, we're not calling the Women's League. We're not calling the Youth League. We are calling the provincial chair. So I'm telling you, respect the structures. And structures respect. Leaders respect the people. You can't be a leader and be part of a faction. You can't be a leader and have favorites. In the NEC, they'll tell you. There were some issues I was unhappy about today. I didn't say this is my favorite or this is my favorite. I dealt with the issues I was unhappy about. So, because I don't belong to a faction in the NEC, that's why I could speak my mind. Because some of you, you can't act because it's your friend that did something wrong. It's your faction. The engine of the party is the secretariat. If you're unaware of what must happen? Ask the secretariat. And if they don't answer you, be patient. Just fat net lane. Because where we are going now, you have to follow the line. It's not about your moods, it's about the plan. To hell with your moods, it's the plan. Everyone, no matter what structure you are in, you know, you talk about the LGBTQI. I've never heard the LGBTQI advancing issues that affect gay people. I've never heard them discussing what happens to lesbians that are being forced to have a man, corrective rape. What happens? What are the issues affecting gay people? We don't hear that from our LGBTQI. There's no papers that's being produced and say, these are our issues. Can these issues be addressed? There's no meetings. There's no structures. I'm talking about the LGBTQI, for instance. I'm making an example. The Veterans League must advance issues of old people or senior people. Don't get involved. Die jeug van vandag, luister die los die jeug uit. Concentrate on your job, your structures. Go play bingo, have bingo clubs. Do all those type of stuff. Some of you, the majority of you in PA, you suffer from rudeness and happiness. You suffer from both. One day you're rude, one day you're happy. That is the majority of you, 90% of you. You suffer from rudeness and happiness. It all depends what day is it. Today you'll be rude to people. You will not even greet people. Tomorrow you will be the friendliest person on earth. Tell us, baie false. Deep false. I rather prefer a person who doesn't greet me every day than die een wat ek nie weet waar is die thuisgeval. Is it by happiness? Or is it by happiness? Or is it by being Noors? People walk on X around some of you. Ons soek hulle weg by die PA. Hulle moet gaan. Hulle moet gaan. Because you can't see me as the leader. You're like, oh, I can't approach him. I wonder how is he going to be today. Stand up, julle is net nar. Julle moet loop by die PA. Daar is gaan join julle die ander parties. Los maar vir ons met ons PA. Los vir ons. Just leave us. Because even when people talk to you, what? No, no, no. This is not your children. It's not your children that you speak to like that. We'll never tolerate that thing. I don't care who you are. You must be friendly at all times as a leader. You must not be part of affection. If they gossip about you, that's what they do as leaders. They gossip about them. Jy moet gebeskinder word. Hulle moet jou uitbeskinder. Uit jou houding niet. Hulle moet jou uitbeskinder. 'n Leader, die hoogste bome, kry die meeste wind. We don't know where you are. One day you're happy, one day you're rude. You have favorites. Some of you don't even eat what the other people are eating. And we must be led by you. As ons mal. As ons mal in onze koppe. Bipolar. Môre is jy die happiest mens. Vandag is jy bipolar, kwaad. Môre is jy, some of you treat people so bad. We don't know how you're going to be tomorrow. We want you guys to live, really. Ons soek happy mense, soos hulle president, ek is happy. You guys are turning away a lot of patriots with your rou maniere. Dan jy weer môre happy, dan jy weer rou. This was a lucky packet. Ons weet nie wat kry ons sê. You know, when we grew up and we had lucky packets, you excitedly opening, eh? And then you open the lucky packet. And when you open the lucky packet, you're even excited because you don't know what you're going to get. That's how some of you are. We don't know why you're angry. We don't know what is happening. Because your hairstylist is so mooi soos die ander mense hairstyle. Maybe you see somebody's wearing better than you, something better than you. You have the same dress, but it doesn't sit so nice by you. Or you got the same trouser. Guys, come on. Not by the PA. We've come too far. We've worked too hard. We've come this far where we are a force. And you sit here and you think the PA will fall when you leave. Here is it, man jokes. A leader moet friendly is. Hy moet approachbaar is. You must be imagine you work in a PA office and just net nar. People will not come back there. You know, when I go to the PA office, I can only sit for 5 minutes, then there's somebody coming to ask for a picture. I never say I'll leave out. My hands will be full of food. I'll be like, I'm coming now. I'll take the picture. So please, don't come in with lucky packet leadership. We want real leadership, not lucky packet leadership. And this thing where some of you, I saw the inboxes you sent me. Please, the reason why I wasn't a good leader is because of this one. Sit terug en gee anders 'n kans om te lead. You can send me 20 messages on Facebook. Give the others a chance to lead. Rassie Erasmus had a new squad. Was met 'n bietjie change. That doesn't make you a bad leader if somebody else is in your place and you are being led. There was people that played. Manny Lebok was outside. Manny Lebok came back. Look at Manny Lebok. So Manny Lebok didn't get angry when he was not chosen for the squad. Today you're going to see them. The ones that expect them, their names to be mentioned tonight. The ones that can't. Some are already sitting and saying, ek weet ek is in. PA, we call each other leaders. This is the squad we are sending in today. And if that squad doesn't work, we'll pull that squad back. So we can put other people in. I'm not the only person that can be president of the PA. PA is full of leaders, some better than me. The whole week, some of you just text me on, what is this thing, on Facebook, on X. Press, you'll see what I'll do if I'm the leader. You'll like leadership. Jy wil lei, but jy verlei. And tonight, you are going to see who are the people. Who are the people that was never real PA? They were just here for position. You can't be a leader if you are not willing to be led. So if we announce you tonight as a leader, it is not permanent. You're not a statue that's not going to move there. You must be. We're going to look at each and every one of you. The provincial leadership we are going to announce tonight in the provinces that we are going to announce. Those leaders, we are going to give you the task to announce the RECs. And don't come with your friends here. That is the first test. You must now announce the RECs. The REC, you must announce. You must now sit and talk. Why this person? Like what we've done in the NEC. Why this person? Why that person? We're not going to announce RECs tonight. We want you, the PECs, to announce the RECs. So we can already see the quality of leadership. And if you fail, we will replace you. Now the PA leadership, the NEC, is the best. Let me tell you why they're the best. They are growing this organization election after election. That shows you quality. Quality. Quality leadership that grows the PA. We're winning by elections because of the leadership that is being provided. The party has direction. So we want provinces to have direction like the mother body. You can't be a leader and then you say, ek vat almal van die Cape Metro. But you forget about college and Google it. But it's also the metro. So let me criticize more. Tonight we're going to announce 4 provinces. Gauteng, Western Cape, Eastern Cape, and Northern Cape. Because those are the functional provinces of the PA. They are the functional provinces. What do I mean with functional provinces? Look, let's look at KZN. Daar is niks wat daar gebeur nie. In KZN, the party is not growing. So which means the people we have in KZN, it's about them, it's not about the PA. Because the party is not growing. Now, I'm not the type of leader that tells you what you want to hear. We need massive changes in KZN. And those changes will come. We need people that don't fight on WhatsApp groups. We need people that fight for change for the people and not fight each other on WhatsApp groups. Now, I'm not this leaders that sees there's a mistake in the party and then they are, soos ons sê in Afrikaans, jy vee dit onder die mat, you are putting it under the carpet. I'm not those type of leaders. Limpopo is dead. It's dead. It's dead. Look how big is Limpopo. But we only have 1 council in the whole of Limpopo. The whole KZN. I think we've got 2 councillors. And Eldos alone, we have 2 councillors. Eldos. But the whole KZN we've got, but people still want to fight. Must be honest with you, is the state of the organization. Mpumalanga, we are dead. We have 0 councillors in Mpumalanga. Zero councillors. Free State, we are dead as the PA. In the whole of the Free State, we've got 2 councillors. How is that okay? KZN, we've got 3 councillors, sorry. Free State, we've got 2 councillors. Mpumalanga, we have nothing. Northwest is better than this 3, but it is not where we want it to be. Now, how do I, as a leader, take people serious that don't want to grow the party? While you see how the people grow the party in the Western Cape, in the Eastern Cape, how can that be? Do you know what it means when you say ek paisani? But some of you, you get that 1 or 2 councillor salaries, the 3 of you, it's okay. What have you been doing? What have you been doing? If I'm the only councillor, I must make sure we grow this party. When last did we have a by-election in KZN, Mpumalanga? You can't just concentrate like in Bloemfontein, in Free State, on the colored areas. How is that okay? We've never won a vote in the Free State. Never won a vote in Northwest. Never won a vote in Mpumalanga, not even a PR in Mpumalanga. Now, I can't tell you that's okay. I must be honest with you as a leader and say there's a problem. How come the people in the Western Cape is growing the party? How come the people in Gauteng is growing the party? How come the people in the Northern Cape is growing the party? The people in the Eastern Cape is growing the party. It's the same people at Grondtoegang. You never see the other provinces going to the ground. I must be honest about the bad about PA. So we need new leadership in those areas. And the NEC has said today, we're going to get new leadership in those areas. Leadership we are going to, that will grow the party. Some of you is just resources. Where's the money? Where's the money? You know, we had a by-election in KZN where this guy was giving us a budget of, I think, 200,000. And this guy registered a girl. Her surname was Mackenzie, that girl. Not my family, but her surname was Mackenzie. She was not even aware that she was registered. She was not even aware that she was registered. All he wanted was just to make money from the party. There's some of you, you never talk about campaigning, it's just resources, money, money, money. All you want is money, money, money. Where's the money? We need resources. We need T-shirts. You want to go sign people up with T-shirts. That maak my mal. You know, there was some people, I sometimes just listen to people when they talk and I don't talk back. I just see them. Weird people here. I remember the one person, I'll not tell you the name of this person. Joined the PA. They wanted to repossess his car. Came to me. I helped him. Became a counselor. Never wanted to contribute a cent to help other people. But vandaag, they can write on Facebook. I just look at them. I smile. I'm like, Tsai, Khatan. And men say, hoe veel is hy? Imagine. Your heart is not right. The success of PA comes from those provinces. The majority of those provinces. In Mpumalanga, you don't contribute towards the success of the PA. KZN, you don't contribute towards the current success of the PA. Limpopo, you don't contribute towards the current success of the PA. Free State, you don't contribute towards the current success of the PA because it's just infighting. It's gossiping, it's infighting. This party does not belong to people of Western Cape. But we've got to work together. We got to hold hands. People will ask, how do I join a party? And I look at this thing, and I'm like, there's nobody from that whole province answering this person. So the PA NEC is taking this upon them. We are going to change that provinces. Trust me. We're starting with Limpopo. Die hond is vrek los. Watch the leadership we are going to announce of Limpopo. Watch what's going to happen in Limpopo when you have real leadership. Watch the new leadership we're going to announce in KZN. Watch the leadership we are going to announce in Free State. When you have real leadership, nonsense has no place. There's no place for nonsense. What is important is the mission, the vision, where we're going. That's a real leader. Dit tyd vir wie sê wat of wie dink wat. PA in die oggend, PA tot die aand. Hier kom big changes in die PA. Big PA is changing tonight. Every candidate that is going to be a councillor candidate, we are also going to call you. And this thing has been planned long before we knew the ANC standing, calling the councillors. They call the councillors. We are not calling our councillors. We are calling our future councillors. So some of you belong to people. You don't belong to the PA. When that person leaves, you must also go. When that person comes back, now you are stranded. You're going to see the PA change. You are going to see the changes we are bringing. The NEC, we are resolute. We are together. We had a good meeting. We spoke. Watch what's going to happen now. Not people that's position crazy. There's one woman, I knew her so long in the PA. Wat sy net klaar position kry, toe sien ek sy's dra nou hoë skoene. I've never seen her with high heels. And all of a sudden it was now hoë skoene. Ja, it's a lot position now. I want to announce the members of the 15 October by-election. 15 October by-election. There's going to be 4 by-elections on the 15th of October. Ward 7 in the northwest. Ramotseri Moilwa Municipality. Swellendam, Ward 6. Langeberg, Ward 4. COJ, Ward 29. Here is the names of the people. The councillor that the PA wants for Ward 29, COJ, is Ismail Steenkamp. He was then as the councillor there. In Langeberg, Ward 4, is JJ Johannes January. In Swellendam, Ward 6, is Julian Matthijssen. In Ramotseri Moilwa, Ward 7, is Boitumelo Abel Mooki. Congratulations to those councillors. Concentrate, leave everything. I spoke to Ismail earlier, leave everything. We are just concentrating on the wards now. Let me start with the Gauteng provincial structure. This is the structure that will lead this party. There's some people that will still be announced in positions other than these positions as we're going forward. We have earmarked positions for them. They will hear as we go in. Gauteng provincial structure. The provincial chairperson is Dino Peterson. The deputy provincial chair is Paul Mukwena. The provincial secretary is Amelia Zama. The deputy provincial secretary is Solim Kize. The treasurer is Ingel Singh. The deputy treasurer is Rowan Levak. The organizer is Theo Doyle. The Women's League representative is Beauty Nyandeni. The Youth League is Bailey Branches. Religious leader in the province of Gauteng is Donovan Casey Gous. Pastor Donovan Casey Gous. The Veterans League is Sylvia Melander. The Royal League, the Traditional League, is Sharon Kleinboy. That is your leadership for Gauteng, the provincial structure. They've got work to do. They must now run and make sure all the RECs are set up. Every ward there's a councillor. Western Cape, provincial structure. Provincial Chair, Basil Peters. Deputy Provincial Chair, Bongi Kai. Provincial Secretary, Shirley N. Maton. Deputy Provincial Secretary, Carlo Klassen. Treasurer, Regan Papier. Deputy Treasurer, Stanley Hendricks. Organizer, Stephen Potberg. Women's League, Lizelle Olivier. Youth League, Elzaan Peterson. Religious, Dennis Matroos. Veterans League, Rose Bassett. Royal League, John Satisfied. That is the structures in Western Cape provincial structure. The Eastern Cape provincial structure. The provincial chairperson, Nadine Murray. The Deputy Provincial Chair, Andile Mfini. The Provincial Secretary, Stacey Gosling. The Deputy Provincial Secretary, Zuziwe Chona. The Treasurer, Edward Savage. The Deputy Treasurer, Claudia Everts. The Organizer, Rinaldo Francis. The Women's League Representative, Jennifer Abrams. The Youth League Representative, Keaton Browers. The Religious Representative is William Eugene Waldeman. The Veterans League, Winston Lewis. The Royal League, Millen Grootboom. Northern Cape Provincial Structure. Provincial Chairperson, Anthony Mitas. Northern Cape, Anthony Mitas. The Deputy Provincial Chair, Frikkie Sibelogo. The Provincial Secretary, Christo Slambi. The Deputy Provincial Secretary, Beulah Alfreds. The Treasurer, Sergio Olivier. The Deputy Treasurer, Carmen Pillay. The Organizer, Ferguson Moses. The Women's League Representative, Faith Irvin. The Youth League, Montani Swartz. Religious, Cornelius Mostert. Veterans League, Frans Titus. Royal League, Peter de Wet. Now we're coming to the Women's League, leadership of the Women's League. The President of the Women's League, Mary Liebenberg. The Deputy President, Suzanne Jansen. The Secretary, Lerato Matupa. The Deputy Secretary, Rose Burgess. The Treasurer, Blanche Garcia. The Deputy Treasurer, Sharona Lowe. The Organizer, Myrtle Williams. The Religious Leader, Annie Domingo. The Veterans, Gladys Conway. Now, just before I get to the Youth League, these are the people that will take us. And if they are not ready, we will see them before the election. So before I come to the Youth League, it's important that I stay in here for a second because I need to explain the changes we're going to make. The changes that we're going to make. We always identify talent. I can make you an example with Leader Jack Watson. In the election in 2021, he did so much work. He worked on the numbers, he worked on the IT for the PA. He impressed us so much that we decided to call him into the NEC. So we always look at people and the work they do for the party, and it's like we need to get these people on the NEC. So the three people that the NEC, that's going to the NEC is calling three people, except the Youth League president is going to the NEC, Veterans League, Traditional League. They will have automatic right by virtue of the position to sit on the NEC. But there's three people, and I'll tell you the last one, I'll explain why. The first person is going to be on the highest decision-making body of the NEC is Umbiza. Ashley Sauls is being called to serve on the NEC. So Ashley Sauls is going to serve on the NEC. The second person is going to serve on the NEC is Pastor Leo Dos Santos. He's being called for the NEC. And the third person, which, you know, I'll tell you what is a true patriot. When you talk about the person that a whole family wants attacked her, everybody attacked her, but she said, I stand by the PA. I stand for Palestine. I stand for that. Ratika Tagodin, we're going to remove as the mayor of Cape Town, mayoral candidate of Cape Town. We bring her to the top. We bring her in as a NEC member. Because you can't be an NEC member and stand for a mayoral candidate position except when you're from the youth league or from the different leagues. So I want to congratulate Ratika. She's coming in. So Ratika, Leo Dos Santos, and Ratika, Leo Dos Santos, and Ashley Sauls are now members of the NEC of the Patriotic Alliance. We're also announcing, so Leader Ratika will no longer stand for as the mayoral candidate. She's now coming up and sit on the highest decision-making body. We're also announcing a deputy chaplain. We have the chief chaplain, but we need a deputy. And Bishop Donovan Mini, congratulations. You are now the deputy chaplain of the PA nationally. I want to congratulate you. The SG will sit down and speak to you about that, of what is expected of you and what needs to happen. But I want to come back to Ratika. With the whole Israel-Palestine fight that happened amongst our people, Ratika was the most attacked person. But Ratika, some of her family members also attacked her. But she said, this party is my life. So, Ratika, congratulations, and we are happy to serve with you. Then, the issue of Gauteng, we are not winning so far. The investigation of the DP will probably be done. Leader Eugene will tell us tomorrow when the investigation will be done. He has done good work. He has done very good work in the city of Joburg, and the DP will be our mayoral candidate for Joburg. We insist on that, as he was a councillor. We will discuss with him that position. But the DP, we want his case to finish. We are now we are removing Liam Jacobs out of council because I think they're intimidated and they want him to be an honorary councillor, but we know there's some DA guys that's intimidated by him. We're not going to let such talent sit there while we can use it elsewhere. So here's the changes we are making. And the plan gaan aan. Just follow the plan. Leader Liam Jacobs will then, he will resign from becoming a councillor tomorrow. He will occupy two new positions, basically. Firstly, this is the Youth League. I was also overpowered by Leader Michelle and Leader SG and Leader Mary and Leader Bakang and everyone. They said, we can't have a youth league that is so young yet before election. You know, I was always saying this thing where you can't be 35 and you can't be 30 and still be a youth member. They have shown me that I'm wrong. They said, Press, we're going to election. It's hard for an 18-year-old to speak to a 25-year-old. They wouldn't listen to them. And I had to stand back with my argument because superior arguments beat me up. Superior arguments. And that's what a leader does. You don't keep your position, a position that you have. You must listen to other people. They've shown me that for until the election, we need to keep the old structure of between 16. The only change we're making, the Youth League is now between 16 and 35. Our Youth League starts at 16 in the PA until the ages of 25. So here's the Youth League leadership for the Youth League that you must know. The youth president of our Youth League is Liam Jacobs. Congratulations, Liam. You are the president of the Youth League of the Patriotic Alliance nationally. The deputy president is Leanne Adams. She's the deputy president. The secretary is Sakile Hlatswalo. He's the secretary general of the Youth League, Sakile Hlatswalo. The deputy secretary is Keisha Brown. The treasurer is Jody Peterson. The deputy treasurer is Kira von Leiters. The organizer is Kabelo Pizzo. And religious is Deshaun Gelderblom. I'm going to repeat that. The Youth League president is Liam Jacobs. The deputy president is Leanne Adams. The secretary general is Sakile Hlatswalo. The deputy secretary is Keisha Brown. The treasurer is Jody Peterson. The deputy treasurer is Kira von Leiters. The organizer is Kabelo Pizzo. And religious is Deshaun Gelderblom. Now, Patriots, we're removing Liam as the candidate for Tshwane, because he's also our new candidate for the Cape Metro in the place of Ratika, our mayoral candidate for, now we're playing chess, not checkers, chess. Our mayoral candidate for Cape Metro is Liam Jacobs. Congratulations. You've got big shoes to fill. Ratika is there. She'll tell you the work. She'll do a handover to you. We have a whole plan. We will soon announce all the other positions. We'll also announce the new mayoral candidate in Tshwane. We are moving now. The DSG will connect with all of you, and she will then put up a Zoom call where you will get the line of march. We'll get the full line of march. What we expect from you, the Youth League of the PA is back. You must talk the things that bothers you. You must advocate for young people. You must make sure that you've got the hardest job to go around this country. We are building the PA. We are going forward. The NEC will now, and the next announcement will be Free State leadership, Free State, Northwest, and Mpumalanga, in Limpopo, and KZN. And we'll also announce the leaders that has done so much work for the PA in the meantime. We'll also announce all the different parties, all the different members, and your new portfolio and your designation. So to Liam Jacobs, thank you so much. Lead our young people. Lead the Cape Metro. We are now preparing for elections. Every area, the provincial chairpersons and the provincial structures, make sure that you start your meetings immediately to do your RECs. Choose people that will take this party forward. Some of you will pull you out of your councillor positions. You will get your line of march from the DSG and the SG, and the party will pay you going forward. The Youth League, you have work to do throughout this country. You must make sure that we are a party of the youth. We are the future. This is not to revenge people that didn't treat you right in the past. This is just to build a party and go forward. Because we can't lead forever. We are preparing, most of you, that is not even mentioned here. So there's still many names that come. You must still announce the Veterans League. You must still announce all the other positions. But in the Cape Metro, Liam, congratulations. I've got no doubt I've traveled with you, I've spent hours with you. I think God led you to the PA. We are going in full war in the Cape Metro. To all the young people, congratulations. Let us build a party. And if your name has not been mentioned tonight, and you are angry, we don't need you at the PA anymore. Yes, I must see who wen the by-elections, who wen the thing. So to the SG, Sakile, you've got big shoes to fill. People like Michelle and them started there. And look where they are today. PA needs new officers, big officers. We are now, the hond is freklos. So to everybody I want to say, the hond is freklos. For now, call each other, talk to the DSG, put up your Zoom meetings. We are ready. We are now going to announce the other provinces. And I hope that the leadership will announce there will take, provinces must take competition with each other. You know, I look at the Northern Cape and the Western Cape. I had the leader telling me that the Western Cape is obviously going to remain the biggest party. I don't think if the Northern Cape can pull up their socks, they can overtake Liam there. So we are bringing up young people. Thank you so much. I love you guys. The NEC members, all of you shall be inducted. The DSG will make arrangements and they'll talk to all of you. But I want to congratulate everybody that's here. Know the policies of the party. We are moving now. Salute. May God bless you. Thank you. Bye-bye.